What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python emphasizes on code readability and clear syntax, making it accessible for beginners while remaining powerful enough for advanced users. Python is world's fastest growing and most popular language, not only among software engineers but also among mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, as well as among kids. Why Python? Why not something else? The answer is simple, because using Python we can do complex problem solving in less time with fewer lines of code. That's why all the big huge companies are taking advantage of this beautiful and powerful programming language. Let's say we want to take a substring from most popular string hello world. For C#, this is the coding string.substring with number of characters we want as substring, and in JavaScript string.substr. And now look for Python. Simply str and get the required substring out. This is just the beginning of Python. Python is a multi-purpose language, as we can use Python for web, desktop and mobile apps, as well as for testing and hacking, and last but not the least for the artificial intelligence and machine learning. So if you want to have high paying outs, especially in AI and machine learning, Python is the language for this purpose. So some of the features of Python are high level language. A high level language is a programming language that allows a programmer to develop programs that are independent of the type of machine they are running on. These languages are classified as high level because they are more comparable languages than machine languages. Python, being high level language, abstracts away low level details, allowing programmers to focus on solving problems rather than worrying about system architecture. Cross-platform. The cross-platform or multi-platform software is a type of application, program, software that works on various operating systems or devices, which are often called platforms. A platform means an operating system such as Windows, Mac OS, Android or iOS. Huge community. Python has a large and active community of developers who contribute to its development, create libraries and frameworks, and provide support through forums, conferences, and online resources. Large ecosystem. Python comes with a comprehensive standard library that provides modules and packages for a wide range of tasks, from working with files and networks to handling data and implementing web servers. So overall, Python's simplicity, versatility, and robust ecosystem have made Python as one of the most popular programming languages worldwide, used by both beginners and experienced developers for a wide variety of projects.